So years ago, when I learned about the law of attraction, I used different methods to manifest money. It used to work and I did manifest money, but I realized that after a while, I again slipped back into my lack mentality or lack state of mind without even realizing it. Does that sound relatable to you? Much later, I understood that it is very important to stay in that frequency of abundance and not slip back into the state of or the frequency of lack. And it is important to make it a habit to constantly attract money and abundance in all areas of our lives. So that meant that I should not chase money, but rather focus on living an abundant life. An abundant life means that your life is enriched in all areas of your life. For example, your finances, love life, career, health, family, and relationships. And it is possible if you understand that how to tap into the frequency of abundance and continue to stay in that frequency. Because that's where I used to mess up, and probably many others too. But since 2018, money constantly started flowing into my life, more and more money each time, without me trying too hard. And if I can do it, you too can do it. So let me give you the clear-cut steps to tap into the frequency of abundance. I just have one request to you. If this video is helping you out, please do share it with your friends and family, whoever needs it. Thank you. So step 1 is identify the less abundant area or areas of your life. The less abundant area could be your finances or money in general, or even your love life that might be bothering you, or maybe your career that's not quite looking good at the moment. As we know that everything is energy and vibrating at a particular frequency, and things manifest in the 3D reality when our vibrations match with that of the desires we have. So it is also true that our vibrations can also get affected by external factors or even people around us. For example, years back when my life was a total mess, it was because I had let myself be affected by my relationship, by my love life. I let it affect my vibrations, which was constantly going down and down. And as a result, it was affecting my finances too. I tried so hard, but I wasn't getting any job, not even an unpaid internship anywhere. I had absolutely zero money, nothing coming in when my friends were already working and making money in different companies. And as soon as I got rid of my relationship and I stopped thinking about it, I got my first job. So ask yourself, is any area of your life pulling your vibrations down? Identify it. Step 2 is review and eliminate anything that is not serving you anymore. First, review and see if you can do away with some things or people from your life which are pulling your vibrations down. Can you do something about the particular situation or about a particular person in your life? For example, some people have the habit of overspending. Can you quit that habit? Or for example, I had to quit my relationship because I really could not take it anymore. But I know it is not easy for everyone to quit. So if you cannot quit or do away with the things or the people in your life that are bringing your vibrations down, then can you bring your vibrations up and not get dragged down by the influence of the external factors? Is there a way that you can bring your vibrations up and influence your reality and change it? So that brings me to the step number 3. The best way to bring your vibrations up: express gratitude for the things that are already there in your life. So let's say you want a constant flow of money in your life. And it doesn't matter if you have no source of income at the moment. But when you start saying the following prayer of gratitude, which I'll be giving you just in a few seconds, there will be an immediate shift in your vibrational frequency. Dear God, or the universe, Almighty, whatever you want to say. Dear God, I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude. I am grateful for the gift of life and the countless blessings that surround me. In this moment, I choose to focus on the abundance that already exists within and around me. I am grateful for the love, the joy, and prosperity that manifests in my life effortlessly, such as fill in the blanks with everything that you are grateful for, like your family, friends, your house, the fresh air you are breathing in. Whatever comes to your mind, fill in the blanks with those things. Then finally say, right now I am aligning myself with the frequency of abundance, and I am ready and deserving to receive all abundance with an open heart, thereby releasing any resistance. And I am ready to share my abundance with the world. So, with this step, I finally come to the fourth step, and that is the last step. Observe all the abundance around you. Very important. After you say this prayer, you need to look around yourself and pick at least 3 things from the nature that you feel is absolutely abundant, because around you in the nature, everything is abundant and you cannot deny that ever. For example, trees are abundant with lots of leaves, branches, flowers, fruits, and so on. Flowers are abundant. There's a diverse variety of flowers which we will find all over the world. Oxygen is abundant. Sunlight is abundant. So when you do this, it is going to give you a proof to your conscious mind, the mind which is constantly looking for logic. So once you give these examples to your conscious mind, your subconscious mind is also going to believe, because you are telling your conscious mind that, look, there is abundance around me. Universe is full of abundance. If nature is abundant, why can't human beings be abundant? Because after all, human beings, we all are part of that same nature, same creation. When I followed these steps and said this prayer and observed the abundance around me, it just showed results within one day. So believe me, money is not that hard to attract in your life, like a lot of people believe, because of the societal conditioning. But it was not the case in ancient times. In ancient times, Babylonians were the people who knew exactly how to attract money easily and effortlessly. If you want to know what that hack is, just go and watch this next video, and I will see you there. Bye bye.